Hey there. Thank you for stopping by. It's Paula from Country Haven. Thought I would share some thoughts on Snoring Dog. I have some big dogs in the house. Big dogs, way nearly as much as I do. If you have a big dog that says they need to go outside, I guarantee you want to take them outside as soon as possible. Well, today's been one of those days. Lots of, I need to go out. It took me 2 hours to get something to eat. It took me way too long to even change clothes after church. I could not even sit down because I would almost get set down and then there would go the roar again. Well, right now I have a snoring dog. Maybe snoring dogs are not something that make you happy generally, but right now I'm very happy to hear a snoring dog because that means maybe we're through with all the running outside every 5 minutes, and maybe I can at least sit down for 5 minutes without being interrupted. That makes me happy. I'm easy to please. Take care. Bye.